Tinnitus, here's what you need to know. Many people assume that tinnitus is a condition they just have to live with. They just accept the ringing in their ears as a given that they have to simply endure, but this is not so. Read on into this video for tips and tricks to use in minimizing and managing this condition. If you begin to develop any symptoms of tinnitus, you may want to see an ears, nose, and throat specialist or audiologist. These two kinds of doctors are trained in dealing with tinnitus, so they would be able to both diagnose the condition as well as properly treat it. If you have trouble falling asleep because of ringing in your ears caused by tinnitus, run a standing fan in your room. It can make a huge difference. The white noise drowns out tinnitus symptoms and can help you fall asleep quickly. Try purchasing a sound generator. This should be placed close to where the head of the bed frame is. These machines are designed to generate white noise that is effective for redirecting your focus away from your tinnitus and towards the white noise. This lets you finally rest peacefully. If you have problems falling asleep at night because of the ringing in your ears due to tinnitus, take a bath. A hot bath will help you to relax and fall asleep more quickly. Put lavender in your bath. This will help you to relax even more. Tinnitus can be exacerbated by stress, so maintaining an organized, low-stress lifestyle is important. Try to cut unnecessary stress from your life, and focus your thoughts and attention to people and things that make you happy. One way to lessen the effects of tinnitus is to regain control of your life and kick stress to the curb. Tinnitus is generally a physical issue caused by an emotional issue. Look for ways to ease the pressure of daily life, plan ahead, avoid procrastinating and adopting other healthy practices. If you make the effort to incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine, you will find that they soon just happen without any thought. As stated earlier in this piece, a lot of sufferers of tinnitus assume there is nothing that can be done about this annoying condition. However, now that you have read these tips, you know that there are steps you can take soon for relief. Employ them in the coming days to hear a clearer future. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.